Okay, so it's Wednesday. It is Wednesday, isn't it?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
Michael. How you doing? It's Wednesday afternoon. Had a bit of a mad one today. Don't know whether we're coming or going. Trying to get ready for the show tomorrow night for 3D Philippines, and then a business meeting upstairs in the stage house. But it's been really cool that Michael's popped in today to show us a couple of his latest prints. You've been a bit mad recently on the old resin, haven't you?
Yeah, I've upgraded my printer. It's now a bathtub size fan.
So, if we said to you these were resin printed, would you believe us? Nah. Well, okay, well, you're right, because they're not, but look at these awesome prints. So, Michael has 3D printed these. This first model, Michael, what's that one?
It's a free one on Thingiverse called Fat Muscle Man, I think it's called. But Arif designed the base for me. So
cool, superb.
See and the Arif base, if you want that.
Cool, look at that. That's smashing. Yeah, Arif, is the file available, or is it... when you say the base, is it the
whole base? Side? Literally, the cool. Man is on his own, and Arif designed all the rest of it.
Oh, that looks superb, Arif.
Cheers, thank you.
That's really good. So the mesh, the cage bit, the fencing, what is that?
The
is
mesh
it metal,
prints flat. It prints flat.
Yeah.
I glued it into place, then melted it with an airdryer.
Right, cool, superb. So no, dip it in water first, just melt it. That looks really awesome. That is cool. Can you turn it around for us, Michael, would you? If you grab it, see what the back is like. Yeah, that is really good. A hole in his pants, man. That is so authentic.
I don't know what happened there, but
that looks real, man. Is that with a hairdryer?
I think half of the holes that are in his trousers.
Yeah.
With this model, is actually a miniature.
Ah, right.
It's literally a 28mm miniature. I blew it up quite considerably,
so
which needed some repairs in NetFab, which Eric did. But I think some of the holes on it were like tiny little holes, but when you blow them up to this size, he's got off his trousers.
Blown his pants,
it's like he's literally blown them out.
You wouldn't imagine a man that big getting so aware that blow a hole in his pants. But anyway, that's cool beans. That's a really good print. I love the painting as well. It's really good. Superb. Thank you. And then, this is another awesome print. That is so cool.
This was a long print, to be honest. I think the Wolverine and Deadpool printed as one piece.
Right.
And that took 95 hours.
And you print these on the CR10, is it?
4S, yeah.
Right, look at that. That's just awesome.
I think the base was about 40 hours, I think, roughly. And then I think it was about 20-25 hours to paint. I've been doing it for weeks, in all fairness. Yeah.
Let me just see if we can get in there.
Because obviously, because these are printed in one piece, you've got to paint in between the two of them while they're together.
Right. Yeah. Yes. Okay. That's just awesome. That is really good. Oops, got the light from the window, but that's good. Are you bringing these tomorrow night for the Disrupting Essex show?
Yeah, with a car bootload more.
Well, we're actually taking a whole some shelving with us tomorrow just to put your stuff up, Michael, to be honest with you.
I have gathered a collection of large models.
Absolutely. They are superb, though, mate. And then what else? You started something here, haven't you?
This is, me and Arif have been doing this today. This is Loki's scepter from the Avengers.
Ah, right,
This is going to be my Halloween costume.
Right, yeah.
Because we're going to a fancy dress party.
Nice. So, it's not here, though, is it? Which is in the window.
It's just round the corner.
Is it? Okay.
But we've been putting the lights into it today, so it's now got a switch on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
This does light up blue like the jewel, but I've masked it up because it's going to be primed.
Yeah.
But that's what we've been doing today.
Okay, cool.
So it's ready to be primed and filled and painted, and then I've got to print out his helmet as well.
Oh, smash! Oh, really? That bigger?
The one with the big helmet.
That's going to be some print, isn't
it? Yeah.
Is it already designed? Is it already? Is it already designed? Is modelled somewhere?
It's already on Thingiverse, and that's another free one.
And this one's on Thingiverse as well, is it?
That one's on Thingiverse. This was from a paid STL group.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically like a crowdfunded group where they put a model up.
Oh, cool.
People put down, I'll pay for that, and they split the cost. So,
nice.
The modeler, I think he charged something like $3,000 for that. But then when you break it down between 50 people, you're paying like $30-40 each.
Sure. And can you reuse it? Like, or is it supposed to be a one-off print?
It's you can print it as many times as you like. Yeah. But
that's the commercial licensing sort of thing.
Yeah, they're funny. They don't like you.
Yes.
giving them away the files
No,
or
absolutely.
anything like that. So they are. It's meant to be said it's a limited number. There's only 50 people who've got that model.
And
As
you've
far
got
as I
one
know,
here
I think that's the
since
first one. I think that's the first one painted as well.
Ah, cool. Have
'Cause
you
I haven't-
uploaded it to the site yet?
I haven't. I finished it last night,
Oh, right,
so
cool.
I need to do it today.
Oh,
But
brilliant
as far as I
timing,
know,
yeah.
that's the first one that's entirely painted.
Right, superb. And it does. It looks flipping awesome. We'll get some close-up photos of it for later. You come back when you've in your costume, so we can have a look at the old local.
There will be
thing, will
photos.
there?
There will be.
Superb.
I should imagine because it's James's party.
Cool.
So there will be photos.
And we'll get some closer shots of the that is it like a Loki's staff or
It's
something?
a scepter, I think it's called, isn't it?
So if it's going to have lights and all that on it, it'd be cool to see, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be gold with like silver blades, and then the jewel in the middle glows up bright blue.
Are you going to hand paint it or are you going to spray paint it? Do you think? Not sure yet.
I'm not sure. I haven't
Right.
entirely decided.
Yeah, cool.
I don't know.
Because when you do all your hand painting, you do all the shading and everything else.
Yeah,
it's awesome,
which you
isn't
can't
it?
do with spray paints, which I don't like. So probably hand paint,
Yeah.
so I can
See how
do
much
it the way
time
I
you
like
got.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And how many pots of gold paint I've got.
Well, see Arif. He's got about 300.
Harry's got more paint than the Games Workshops in Essex.
Yeah. Arif, what do you say about that?
425.
Is that what you're up
counting?
to?
Yeah.
Cool beans. Did you buy them from that John Pye auction thing?
No.
Oh, you didn't?
Not yet.
Not
He hasn't found them on there yet, but
Will
there's only
do.
time.
Cool. Well, Michael, great. Thanks very much for coming in. Sorry, we've got
See
that
you later.
reflection from that window. It's really cool of you. Great prints. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow evening.
Yep.
Cool beans.